Hello, welcome back to the MicroCast. I'm your host, Ed Rosner, and we're going to do something a little bit different today. No guests in the hot seat today. My subject for today's MicroCast is Proofpoint's Essentials' recent announcement about the beginner package end of sale. In January of this past year, Proofpoint officially ended sales for beginner. Direct customers on beginner get to keep using it for the time being, and partners who have customers on it get to keep them on it for the time being. But no new business or downgrades or anything whatsoever can be put on beginner. I pushed to be able to do this microcast because I wanted to be able to convey information to you as simply and honestly as possible. The end of sale sucks for a lot of people, but the fact of the matter is the beginner package is beginning to show its age, and it has limitations as a security solution. Any and all advancements within the Proofpoint product have been made at higher packages, be it URL defense with QR scanning for the business level, or sandboxing attachments and the AI advancements advanced in the Plus packages. So what does this mean for those thousands of people who are on beginner? It means you have to start thinking about what you're going to do, be it upgrade, switch services, or sit and wait till whatever Proofpoint decides to do with those accounts come the inevitable end of life. It's likely you'll be bumped up to whatever the current entry-level package is, which is business. Reach out to us. See where your best options of where to go from here are. And it doesn't mean you have to upgrade to a package that breaks the bank. Excel Micro is a distributor of cybersecurity solutions. We've been doing email security for over 20 years, and we'll work with you. I'll work with you. Use our experience and the time you have now to trial other packages or investigate other solutions. Let us help craft migration plans for you if that's what it has to come to. I do not want to see any engineer or tech left with the ridiculous task of trying to figure out what to do now when all the time in the world is available to you right now. Get it out of the way, or at least get a rough plan or an idea of what your best and easiest options are before everyone is in a scramble. From the security perspective, there is only upsides to the end of sale. Higher packages offer greater levels of security, and our other solutions do as well. We can help you find what fits, and assuming it is on our line card, we can even help get you onboarded. Moving solutions is a pain. We're here to assist. We can help with account setup, moving users, pre-configurations for accounts to make everything easier. Everybody loves a best practice, and the earlier you get on board, the easier it'll be for us to help set you up in those best practices. But all the kindness and the work has its limits, because once it's 0 hour and everybody's scrambling, we will likely not have the same amount of bandwidth we will do now to do hand-holding and white gloving for onboarding and new solutions. At the time of recording, Proofpoint has no offering or special promos or deals for anyone sitting on beginner, but we will work with you to get you bigger, better security and not just a bigger bill. Because it is a tired expression, but it does not make it any less true that we appreciate your business and we're here to help. I personally have always strived to develop a rapport with anyone I work with because I do not want to just sell you something and then never see you again. I want to advise you, help you figure out what works best for you. Then if you ever have questions or a situation comes up, you can come back to me and we'll figure it out. So thanks for listening to my Fireside chat. Reach out to us. Email your account manager or our sales team. Hell, email me at productteam@excelmicro.com. Comment on this YouTube video if you liked it, hated it, or if you just want us to reach out to you. I'd kill for some YouTube comments. Anyway, thanks again, and safe hunting.